So this one is called Pivotal Moment, and it's about staying in balance while you're rotating. And her pedestal is a three-sided triangle. For me, this one was about trying to get the skirt to look like it's dancing with her and suggesting the direction that she's moving. So I hired a model for this one. A lot of my work at this point in my life wasn't being done with models. And I didn't really use a model for the figure. I used a model to help me understand how a skirt would move with this rotation.